shoes. In 3, 2. Quickly go have our breakfast and then we'll go out. So let's see the whole menu first. So this is going to be a tutorial video how you can quickly unshell an egg, a boiled egg, which is very easy. Just take this. Here it is. See, I've taken some scrambled eggs. You have very good option for all the bakery items because what they do is they produce it themselves here. You have very nice croissants and breads, different types of breads, cheese breads and other stuff. So far so good. So that's our hotel. Quickly going back to the bus, so let's find some water if I can get it here. So we have reached to the second spot. There's a castle here. And I bought this one. Check this. And see, there's a doggy waiting for me. Hello. How are you?
I'm Nini from Holiday Factory from Georgia, so I will try to explain you everything about this place. Now we are in Ananuri. We are now in northern part of Georgia, and this is Ananuri Fortress complex. So it was built in 16th, 17th century approximately. In this complex we have two churches. One of them was built in 16th century, the second one was built in 17th century. Also from here you can see a very nice view on Jinwali Dam and the Naraki River. The fortress. The idea of this fortress is there to protect the castle from the enemies.
because during that time, as Nino already mentioned, like centuries ago, Georgia was occupied by the Married enemies. Some of them, they were Ottomans, Parthians, Mongols, even the last ones, they were Russians, and people used to have this kind of architecture. Even you can see the big rectangular shape of stones. It belongs to the people who lived during the 16th, 18th century in this area, and some of them belong to the monks as well. And over there is an inscription of Pedruli. As I mentioned, in Georgia we have three major manuscripts, Pedruli, Niskori, and Asuntauruli, and because of that our handwriting system is very old. In 2014 it was entered in UNESCO non-material culture list. Even when you go in the Medinevis church, inside there are married icons, and most of them they belong to the 12 apostles of the Jesus, and some of them they come from the part of the Bible. And when people are going inside of the church, they are making a lot of candles because they want to be near to the God, or even if they have some wish, some dream. And if you see the architecture of the churches, these are like Orthodox style church because it has basilic style architecture. I mean triangular shape of roof, which means it is the basilic.
So on the way we have our one more stop here, and I must say, यार पीछे देखो, पीछे तो देखो. So this is our lunch break to Gudauri.